innovation design. For this workshop, we are having the guest and resources person, Dr. S.S. Magikar sir from the mechanical department. I just brief about him related to his profile. Now currently, Magikar sir is working as associate professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering in Swedish College of Engineering, Pandharpur. Also, he is IQAC coordinator, then NAC coordinator. Some brief history about sir related to his education. Sir completed his PE in production engineering from the Shivaji University, Kolhapur, then ME into the design from Solapur University and completed PhD from National Institute of Technology, Silchar. Currently, sir is having more than 18.5 years of teaching experience. Also, he is member of Board of Studies in Mechanical Engineering, Punyashlo Ahilyadevi Holkar, Solapur University, Solapur. Another important point related to sir is he has published more than 60 papers in reputed journal, conference proceeding and book chapter, and he has more than 560 citations in his research work. Regarding award, sir received Research Excellence Award from the Indian Institute of Scholars in 2018 and Best Teacher Award in 2022 from Swedish College of Engineering, Pandharpur. So again, I am requesting you to give this a big welcome in terms of clapping. So I request Professor Sawant sir to welcome.
This is design thinking innovation, and our innovative product for innovation is what? So I say Sawant sir to bring that. Please.
I request Sawant sir to felicitate the S.S. Magikar sir. Thank you, sir. So I request our head of the department, Dr. D. Tamboli madam, guide in this regard for 5 minutes.
So, welcome to all of you for this 5 days workshop cum training on design thinking, critical thinking and innovation thinking, innovation design. So the title itself gives idea about what we have to do for our develop the thinking level, and this directly leads to, as in the morning we have discussed, this directly leads to the your thinking or selection of the project. Therefore, what steps has to be carried out in design thinking, because every time it need not to do only read the literature review. Sometimes by seeing the direct real-time problem also you can identify the topics for your project. So what process has to be followed in developing design thinking approach, then how to scrutinize your ideas and how to finally pick to a certain idea which can be taken away for development of either new product or your related to your project or some innovative thinking. For that your critical thinking process has to be explained. So, and next is the innovation design. Because every time nowadays entrepreneurship as well as startup is taking big lead. So in that case we have to think about how our projects can be taken further to the development of product and whether these products we can commercialize so that you can start your start or business. For that purpose means thinking, idea to commercialization of product. For that purpose, this main 5 days workshop we have organized. So, and all the speakers are very eminent, so take the benefit of their knowledge. You can ask maximum questions. So, even though all the faculty members are from Sweden only, but they are from various departments and they have known for their innovative thinking itself. Therefore, take the benefit of that and ask maximum questions so that you can go further for development of good quality projects as well as further take this to the product development. Thank you all.
Thank you, madam. So I request, sir, without wasting time, you can guide our student and start the session.
Hello.